we offer the best sea moss on the market. Rinse the sea moss thoroughly with fresh water, using lemon or lime to help remove any debris or salt. After rinsing, place the sea moss in a bowl and cover it with 6 cups of water. Let it soak for 40 minutes. During this time, the sea moss will become fluffy and expand in size. Discard the soaking water and rinse the sea moss again. In a pot, bring 8 cups of water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add the rinsed sea moss along with any additional ingredients you'd like to flavor, such as cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, bay leaf, etc. Boil the sea moss for 10 to 15 minutes, then turn off the heat and let it cool. As the mixture cools, the sea moss will begin to form a gel. Once fully cooled, pour the mixture into a glass jar and refrigerate. This sea moss gel will last for up to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. Blend and add to smoothies, acai bowls, or consume raw by the spoonful for its full health benefits.